Good afternoon and welcome back to another episode of Barry's Backyard BBQ. And as you can see, it's a beautiful fall day here in October. I've got my pumpkin shirt on and we're ready to do some October fall grilling because it's all seasons. I'd say the temperature is probably about 50 degrees. Nice and windy. We're going to start up the grill. And I've already put tinfoil on there so that we can do hamburgers. Usually I do them with tinfoil just because it's a lot easier and it keeps the juices in the hamburgers. Makes it for a much better tasting hamburger. And we've got some frozen hamburger I thawed out, put in the refrigerator about 2 days ago, let it thaw out nice and then we also got some Lipton French onion soup. We're going to mix in with that. That'll give it a great taste, make it nice and juicy. And then if you want to really spice it up for Halloween, you could always throw some ghost chilies in there. Woof! Talk about a nice Halloween surprise. Woohoo! We're going to throw in the hamburger here. My garbage bag in there. Then I also got some grated Parmesan cheese. We're gonna mix that in with the hamburgers and give it a nice taste to it. And I don't really have a distinct recipe for it. I just eyeball it all. So I just put some Parmesan cheese in there. And then we're gonna dump in, usually for about 3 to 4 hamburgers, I usually use about a half a package of the Lipton soup. And they've got them nice little dried onions in there, so you want to make sure you mix it all up pretty good. Get that all going. And of course I'm on my new surprise table here, and makes things really nice. For extra room for mixing and everything. And you can really add anything to this that you want. No matter how you do it, it's going to come out good. And if you have any ideas for anything that you would like to see done, just drop me a line at the bottom and let us know what you think. Make sure you like us and subscribe. And I'm just going to make up a few of these patties here now. And you can make them any size that you want. I like a nice big thick burger. And this should make up a nice 3 little hamburgers, nice and fat, juicy. You can make them thin if you want. Alright, now let's set it up. Throw them on there. We'll let them cook up. Come back in about 5-7 minutes, give them a check, flip them over, and then we'll finish them up with some cheese on top. Okay, we're back here. Had to reposition a little bit because of the gale force winds, but things are looking pretty good. They're sizzling up. So we'll come back in about 2 or 3 minutes and give them another check, and they should be about ready for a flip. Okay, we're back. Take a look. Oh yeah, we got some sizzling going on. Give them a flip and a squash. Look at all them juices coming out of there. Alright. Cover them up. Come back in probably about another... Okay, I'm going to go slice some cheese. Some cheddar cheese. And we'll come back and put them on and let them melt. Okay, we're back. I'm going to tempt these hamburgers. And then give them a flip once again. Oh yeah, over 219, they're definitely up to temperature. So we'll flip them once again, get the hot side up, squash them. Back up here a little bit. Put the cheese on it. Cheddar cheese for anybody that's asking what kind of cheese I'm using. And we'll let that set for probably about another 5 minutes and everything should be well done. Alright, we're back here and burgers are done. Get that melted cheese. Oh yeah. Get them on the plate, get them ready for some buns. Seriously! Oh my goodness. Well, these are definitely down on the bottom. This non-stick aluminum foil, by the way, really isn't non-stick, so don't be fooled by that one. Alright, we got these on the plate. Yes. Time to give them a taste. And you might want to watch, they're a little bit hot, but let's see what it tastes like. Oh yeah, that's a burger. See you guys next time on the next episode of Barry's Backyard BBQ.